सूर्य भाई भाभी मिल गई.
We are on a date. Why are you on a call with your friends? I feel like rap is not music. अगर आपने किसी को वॉइस नोट भेजा है व्हाट्सएप पे, ठीक है, और आपने उसको 2x कर दिया और पीछे गाना लगा दिया, it's a rap.
I don't know. That was the worst thing someone has ever done to me. Give an unfiltered opinion you have on streaming.
I don't think there's much to think about streaming.
Just like there's not much to think about rap music.
आप अपने मुझे दिल में जगह नहीं दे सकते हो, तो आपने दिमाग में दे सकते हो क्योंकि वो खाली.
You should try streaming.
I should. We have name, place, animal and movie. Animal.
Kutta.
Who is Priyanshi and who is Anushka?
First impression, she seems nice. I am although confused. कि पहली चीज तो I am confused about this show is called Not My Type. If I'm not her type, why did she call me?
Firstly, he was late, so I'm really like agitated about that. I'm not very happy, but it's fine. And we've texted a little bit, and he like I don't feel like there's a vibe. Maybe.
But usually on a second date, I'm never late.
We'll see if there's going to be a second date or not.
Yeah.
Let's see. Fine. आप मेरे सपने देख रहे थे, इसलिए आपका उठने का मन नहीं कर रहा था, तो I forgive you.
Wait.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say as well.
Yeah, I get it. It's fine. But आप rapper हो ना?
Yeah.
कौन सी चॉकलेट के? But can I just say I don't understand rap.
Okay. Why don't you?
I feel like rap is not music. It's literally अगर आपने किसी को वॉइस नोट भेजा है व्हाट्सएप पे, ठीक है, और आपने उसको 2x कर दिया और पीछे गाना लगा दिया, it's a rap.
No one has ever said something that is disrespectful to me, and I don't know मैं बैठा क्यों था उसके बाद भी.
It's not music.
No, I think rap is music. It's just music that anyone can make. थोड़ा philosophical हो जाएगा, but it's just the music that you can make with the least entry barrier. समझ रहे हो आप मेरी बात?
तो मतलब कोई भी बना सकता है, कोई स्पेशल टैलेंट नहीं.
Talent, I won't say talent नहीं चाहिए, but
आप ही बोल रहे हो कोई भी कर सकता है.
क्योंकि मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब उसके लिए आपको ट्रेनिंग चाहिए, उसके लिए आपको ये चाहिए. Anyone that wants to can.
So it's not a professional thing.
Yeah, I mean, like going on dates and recording it, even that's not really a profession, but no, it is a professional thing. But
Professional thing के लिए तो ट्रेनिंग चाहिए होती है ना बस.
नहीं, but it's just that you can do it without having all the knowledge and everything. You can teach yourself. That's the thing about it.
The last time I deliberately listened to a rap was when I was in 7th standard और हनी सिंह का कुछ आया होगा.
You've not listened to my mixtape?
No.
I think she should have done some research. कम से कम मतलब मेरी mixtape तो सुननी चाहिए थी मुझे बुलाने से पहले. मतलब that's the bare minimum I think. इतना तो कर ही लेना चाहिए था.
Not yet.
Okay. You should have before this, like research and stuff. But ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं.
तो आपने देखा, आपने मुझे किया स्टॉक, आपने पूरी रिसर्च किया.
मैंने देखे सारे पिछले एपिसोड्स देखे मैंने ऊपर से.
आपने मुझे स्टॉक नहीं किया ढंग से, तो आप मेरे बारे में क्या जानते हो? थोड़ी सी रिसर्च लिटिल बिट इज रिक्वायर्ड. ऐसे वो मत करो. मुझे आपके गानों का नाम पता है.
क्या नाम है?
फ्लश.
ओके.
माय टाइप.
ओके.
दो तो बताया मैंने.
मुझे भी आपके शो का नाम पता है, नॉट माय टाइप.
वाओ. Wow, great. Bare minimum. A man does bare minimum and is so happy to.
What? Do you manifest anything?
Yeah, my job, so many travel plans.
Same. Same. My job and everything. Manifested.
Your job, which
it's not really a job.
It's not professional.
It's just fun.
Okay.
No. Rap music is professional. Let's get that straight. Let's get that straight.
तो हमने थोड़ा सा मैंने से आइस ब्रेकर के लिए हमने कुछ रखा है. We have our Jenga.
I've never actually played Jenga.
You've never played Jenga?
No.
It's fine.
Or been on a date.
Oh,
Yeah.
cute. Okay.
I'm lying. I played Jenga.
जो आप ही मुझे कर रहे हो ना.
क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? It's called being myself.
It's fine. We have a dice. We'll roll it. जो कलर आएगा, हमको उसका ब्लॉक निकालना है. You get to ask me truth or dare, and then you roll the dice and you keep it, and I get to ask you truth or dare. और अगर आपको कोई dare नहीं करना है या truth question नहीं करना है, then you have a shot of lemon juice.
I
Okay?
really need this right now.
Lemon juice you need? Why?
I'd rather not tell you.
Okay.
Let's play.
Okay, cool.
Green.
ओ आप गिरा दोगे अगर तो भी आपको शॉट लेना पड़ेगा.
बट मैं नहीं गिरा.
Okay, we'll start easy. Name a creator you have on mute on Instagram.
I don't follow people I have to mute.
Okay, name one person you unfollowed then because their content was annoying.
It's not even bad.
Yeah, it's like
It's like a treat actually.
Yeah? Okay. I wish I could say the
Today
same.
it is.
I wish I could say the same about you. Blue.
Ooh. I think this is gonna fall. Yeah, I think this is gonna. Yeah, this is.
Love that. ये मैंने नहीं लिखे, मैं आपको पहले ही बता रही हूँ. ठीक है?
Yeah, I trust you.
Video call someone from Wushang clan and tell
Oh.
them भाभी मिल गई.
Oh, of course,
That's-
of course. This is nice. This is nice. I'll do that right now. No, I don't usually video call them.
Which is why they should answer. कैसे दोस्त है आपके?
Hello, सूर्या भाई.
हेलो ये
सूर्या भाई.
ये कहाँ हो आप?
वो तो ठीक है सूर्या भाई. मैं कैमरा ऑन है वैसे, आपको बता दूं पहले ही. हाँ. बट सूर्या भाई, भाभी मिल गई.
भाभी मिल गई?
आपकी.
अच्छा मेरी? अच्छा कौन?
Can I show you?
Sure.
मिल गई.
तो दिखाओ कौन मिल. ओके हेलो.
Hello.
हाय. कहाँ पे है आप?
वो सबसे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है सूर्या भाई. अब मैं कहाँ हूँ मुझे पता नहीं.
Congratulations, I mean यही बोल सकता हूँ मैं भाई, but मतलब.
You're happy for me?
Really happy. Out of nowhere surprise दिया वैसे.
Yeah, but you're happy, right?
Yeah, of course, man. Like happy.
He's happy for me.
Thank you. We are on a date. Why are you on a call with your friends?
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
मुझे आप पे भरोसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है आपकी किसी बात पे?
क्यों?
मतलब वैसे तो मुझे किसी भी आदमी पे भरोसा नहीं होता है, पर
But
आप
I'm
स्पेशल
nice,
हो.
right?
नहीं, आप स्पेशल हो, आप पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा है. Oh, by the way, before you
Uh-huh.
roll the dice, आप रैपर हो तो मैं आपके लिए रैप लाई हूँ.
I don't know. That was the worst thing someone has ever done to me. And it definitely was, I did not expect that. And it wasn't funny. Let's roll the dice.
Don't ignore my joke. Even if it's not funny, just like, don't ignore it.
Yellow.
Again, go. You can't do that.
I just did. No,
Okay
I
then.
can't.
Okay then. Oh, by the way, आपने मुझसे क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा
Oh, मुझे पूछना है. My bad.
मेरे वाले उसका, but फिर मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ.
Okay, मैं पूछता हूँ. Give an unfiltered opinion you have on streaming. What do you think about my job, Ekanshi?
I think it's very flexible,
Okay.
and you can do it anywhere, anytime.
Okay.
You're on constant work from home, which I
Okay.
love. So if this is a thing
Uh-huh.
for the future, then it's easy ना.
Uh-huh.
आप work from home कर सकते हो.
मैं तो कर ही सकता हूँ.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
So
what you think? That's all you think? It's work from home? Like,
See,
what's
I
your
don't
spicy
think
opinion?
that much about streaming. I don't think there's much to think about streaming.
Just like there's not much to think about rap music for you.
yes.
That's the truth actually. Dare मैंने
Truth.
अभी भी करा.
Streaming का पूछ रहे थे ना आप कुछ? ठीक है. One streamer whose internet you would like to take away. It's a treat. I need this. It's so good.
Let's do a dare for you.
Sure.
Give everyone a tour of what's in your purse or wallet. This is nice. I was always curious कि लड़कियों के wallet में पर्स में होता
I don't
क्या है
have my
क्योंकि
wallet. I have my wallet. I don't have my. I'm not carrying a bag. I'm carrying
Okay.
my wallet.
Okay.
This is my wallet.
Okay. It's
Matches.
pretty nice.
Thank
I like
you.
it.
It matches my hair a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's a picture.
Oh, I see that.
There's a picture of the love of my life.
Oh, Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there is,
There's a credit card.
yeah.
Can I see the digits on the front and the back?
Excuse me.
The
No.
secured code.
No. But you can see the color. It matches my hair.
Oh, yeah. Not even like the first 4 digit.
No. That's all. That's what you do. Go on dates and ask for people's wallets and ask for last के 3 number बता दो, CVV बता
I
दो.
don't usually go on dates, so,
Good.
as you can see.
I can tell.
But this is very nice. How did you order exactly what I like?
Because I know you.
You literally asked me.
So then why are you asking me a question you know the answer to?
Let's eat.
Sure. नीचे भी है blue.
Wow. I surprised myself.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth. No, I'm not asking you.
Oh, sorry, my
I'm
bad.
asking myself.
Huh?
You wanted truth. So
Yeah.
we'll do a dare then. Post a soft launch story and the text should be cheers to new beginnings.
I mean, I could do it.
You want to do it or do you want to get wasabi?
Let's get wasabi.
What does a girl have to do to get posted out here? It's brutal in this world.
Let's get wasabi.
It's fine.
How do I eat this?
Just. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, of course I'm good.
Okay.
I'm like a dustbin.
What's a song your ex ruined for you that you can't listen to now?
All the songs I've made.
Were for her?
Yeah, but I mean, you know, if I'm in a relationship, I will obviously make songs about the girl I love. So, matlab.
That's cute, but that's also so sad. Then you don't listen to your own music then or what?
No, I do. Not some songs.
My turn, okay.
Okay.
It's white.
Yeah. White. Act out approaching your partner as if they were a stranger using your best pickup line. I think you'll do that on me, right? Okay. Your best pickup line, let's go. Let's hear it.
अगर एक रूम में
हाँ.
बाबू और सोना रहते हैं
Okay.
और सोना चली गई तो रूम में कौन बचा?
Babu.
I don't like that, but if you call me, we'll.
Wow. Wow. That's your best pickup line?
It's one of my pickup lines. क्या जज कर रहे हो आप मुझे?
नहीं, मैं जज क्यों करूँगा मतलब, you know. I'm on a date with you. Why would I judge you?
Good.
तो घर जाके करूँ.
घर जाके आप मुझे जज नहीं करोगे, घर जाके आप मुझे वीडियो कॉल करोगे.
We'll see.
वही तो होती है स्ट्रीमिंग.
I mean, what do I even say to this? You know, मतलब, like, this is my job. You know, you can't say that. It takes effort. It's not video calling. We work hard. Huh? That's what you think? If I'm a guy, I compliment you. How do you know it's genuine?
I don't, which is why guys are like, ugh.
That sucks because I really liked your earrings.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now I'll think about it for 3 business days and then come to a conclusion whether.
If it's genuine or not?
Yeah.
But as a guy, how do I know if a girl complimenting me is genuine or not, or if they just want to, like, you know, get in my pants?
No, excuse me, just guts for you to think that a girl will think so much and come up with a fake compliment. She doesn't have to fake compliment because you're
But
so
isn't
easy to compliment.
Thank
You're
God
so
you said
easy
that.
to compliment.
Thank God you said that.
Yeah.
You know, I almost felt like you were shaming me
No,
on camera.
no.
That's
You're
bad.
so easy to compliment.
Stop calling me easy.
To compliment.
No, let's just skip the easy part. You know.
You're really nice.
Okay, that is nice.
It's very easy for me
Uh-huh.
to compliment you.
Okay. That's
It comes
nice.
naturally. I don't have to try.
Okay, but I'm not easy.
You're not easy.
Yeah, let's get that out of the way.
Red.
Right.
Done.
Send a "What are you doing?" text to your ex.
No.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, I mean, why would you do that on a date?
Yeah.
Why would I ask my date to send a "What are you doing?" text to her ex?
What
Who wrote these?
I don't know. I didn't write these clearly. But I'm not doing that. So do you want me to take a shot?
Sure, you've not had even one.
Okay.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
Blue.
Good. Okay.
Okay.
Compliment her in a freestyle way.
In a freestyle way. You want me to freestyle?
I don't want you to, but that's what it says.
Okay. जब मैं तेरा नाम सुनूं, my earrings, they're shiny, bling bling. I think you and me could be a thing.
I love that.
Yeah?
Okay, love that.
Do you do zip coding and where?
Oh.
What does zip coding mean?
When you date like people only in your geographical area.
Oh, so do you do zip coding and where?
It's like, oh, मैं सिर्फ पीतमपुरा, I date only Pitampura boys. Or I date only like, if I was in Noida, I only date Noida boys.
Okay, so
but
you
I can't
don't
do that. Yeah, no, I don't do that.
That's smart, you know. Why limit your options?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you do that?
No.
So you talk to a lot of girls is what you're saying.
No, I talk to no girls.
Except me.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
Like we're talking right now, right?
Yeah. Good boy.
Such a long time. Like this is the first girl I've talked to in like this year.
This year was a little bit like, 1 महीना हुआ है साल, 2 महीने हुए हैं साल शुरू हुए तो like, whatever, but it's fine. Yeah? Okay, I'll tell you honestly, I'm a big fan
Of who?
of your parents. Because wow, what a work.
Oh wow. Okay. I thought you were genuinely their fan, you know.
I am genuinely their fan.
Oh, okay.
Because what they've created is
Okay.
beautiful.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah,
Is that genuine?
it is genuine.
Okay.
Why does it not seem genuine?
Because it was like, you know, on what basis?
Because you're nice.
That's it. Then,
Aren't
अभी
you
तूने ऐसा कुछ बोला था कि men doing bare minimum. Isn't that bare minimum like being nice?
It is, but you are also like, look at the economy we are in.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So there's no supply of nice guys. So
Okay.
you're nice.
Okay.
I'm giving you a compliment. Take it.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Welcome.
much. Even you're nice actually, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah. Really nice.
Thank you.
Especially in the last 1 minute.
What music are you into except?
Uh-huh. Rap music?
Yeah.
I do like Bollywood music.
Like, what's your last, like 3 songs?
Last 3 songs?
Like 3 top Bollywood songs that you listen to a lot.
ऐसे तो मतलब I like all songs. मतलब बहुत सारे गाने हैं ऐसे तो, but recently I've been listening to a lot of, you know, like there's this playlist on Apple Music, Sangeet Hits,
Okay.
and I listen to Dance Basanti.
I love that. I can't sleep without listening to ऐसे चटपटे गाने. So like, yes, 10 on 10. Very fun.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
कभी-कभी मैं कोई बॉलीवुड गाना सुनता हूँ और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये अप्रूव कैसे हुआ,
I agree.
right? मतलब
I agree.
I get it as someone that makes music themselves. होता है कभी-कभी.
तो आप कब इंस्पायर हुए अरिजीत सिंह से?
To retire?
Yeah.
जब उसने ये बोला तो I wish like she was talking about like, you know, the rich artist club, but that's not what she meant. She wanted me to retire, and उसने मेरी mixtape सुनी तक नहीं है. So मतलब she's judging me on no basis. He only retired from playback singing, you know. What do you listen to apart from, like, you've been asking me, what do you listen to?
I listen to only Bollywood music.
Only Bollywood music?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even like sometimes
But
when
what exactly in Bollywood music?
sometimes when I'm feeling very like powerful, I listen to like Desh Bhakti songs.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah, like Theory Mitti Mein Mil Jaunga. Wow, banger.
I get
Just
it, I
like
get it.
wow.
Okay, you don't listen to anything outside of it? You don't ever think कि मतलब independent artists भी है हमारे देश में, we should support them, never? Like that thought does
मुझे
not hit your head.
ऐसा नहीं है कि ओ it's not a cause. Music is not a cause that I want to support. तो अगर मुझे कोई अच्छा गाना लगेगा तो I will. It's not like मैं नहीं सुनूंगी क्योंकि independent artist और मैं सिर्फ like. But again, तो मतलब ऐसे कुछ आ जाएगा तो मैं सुन लूंगी.
Need so many rappers right now making such great music. You're not listening to any of it, you know.
Rapping is not. Rap is. It's fine. But it's fine. अगर आप अपने मुझे दिल में जगह नहीं दे सकते हो तो अपने दिमाग में दे सकते हो क्योंकि वो खाली है.
Wow. Okay, that's
Cool.
nice. That's nice. That's
Nice.
nice. You should try streaming.
I love that. Like, I'm so happy. Alternate career option. I should?
Yeah, you'll quit in 2 days.
Excuse me. Why?
You're not good at this.
What fruit would you be if you were a fruit?
An apple.
No. You
What
would be
would I
a
be?
fine apple.
Oh, okay. That's nice actually.
हाँ तो आपकी तारीफ करूँ तो nice. आपकी बेइज्जती करूँ तो you'll quit in 2 days. Love that.
I'm sorry. I get a little offended.
We have name, place, animal and movie.
Okay.
Not thing.
Okay.
ठीक है? तो let's.
Yeah. Who's gonna give us the letters?
Someone from the crew is gonna shout a letter.
Okay.
I am done.
I'm also done.
First time a girl finished first. Love that.
Probably the last 2.
Agreed. Okay, name.
Karthik.
Kriti.
Okay. Place.
Karnataka.
Kolkata.
Okay. Animal.
Kutta.
That was funny. You can't write kutta.
क्यों? As an animal.
तो इंग्लिश में खेल रहे हैं ना हम.
ये तो बोला ही नहीं था किसी ने.
Okay, अब बोल रहे हैं ठीक है इसके
Next
बाद.
round.
हाँ, kangaroo.
Oh, I did not think of that. वरना मैं भी वही लिखता.
Movie.
कल हो now.
K3G.
Okay.
Cute.
Nice.
Easy.
Easy तो था ये वाला. Not gonna lie.
Yeah. Not you, the round.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm making notes. I
Thank
don't
you
want to
so much.
repeat my.
No, you're actually very thoughtful.
Thank you.
Why?
I think
You want something?
from you.
Yeah, like why are you being so thoughtful?
आपका साथ चाहिए मुझे
Oh,
ताकि हम अपनी bonfire में साथ चक्कर
yeah,
एंड
stream भी
स्ट्रीम
वो.
करें. हाँ,
Yeah. Very nice.
Okay. Next letter.
Huh. I'm actually.
Time's up.
Yeah, I think you want this as well. But anyways, let's go.
Name.
Rahul.
Ranbir.
Okay.
Place.
Raipur.
Raipur.
Wow.
What? That's so
Wow.
random. Okay.
Wow. यार either we have a really good connection या फिर हम दोनों को मतलब बिल्कुल भी geographical knowledge नहीं है. It's one of these two things.
Animal.
You're not gonna like this.
Tell me.
Orangutan, without the O. Told you, you're not gonna like this.
Okay, Ranbir.
Ranbir's an animal?
Isn't he?
Oh wow! Oh, I get it now. I get it. मुझे
also-
लगा था मैं पूरा कर रहा हूँ. You're not doing much
but
better
also
either.
rat. Okay, I have both.
Rat.
Yeah, rat is an animal.
Yeah, I mean,
Movie.
I couldn't write anything.
Ranjana.
मेरे दिमाग में कुछ भी नहीं आया. I just blanked out in that moment.
That's fine.
Yeah.
मेरे को देख के हो जाता है ऐसा
हाँ,
अक्सर.
मुझे भी मैं भी वही बोलने वाला था.
ये जो आप कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स जो सारे बोलने वाले थे और वो बोलते नहीं हो ना.
यार, I'm nervous. मैं क्या करूँ यार? मतलब मुझे आदत नहीं थी सुंदर लड़कियों से बात करने की.
ओके, डाल लो आदत, क्योंकि सिर्फ मुझसे बात करोगे आप. दैट्स व्हाई. हाँ, नेक्स्ट. ओके,
The next letter is V.
वी.
Okay, stop.
ओके,
हो गया.
आई डिडंट गेट एन एनिमल.
Yeah, even me.
यार
There's no animals with V.
होगा कोई ना कोई तो.
है
स्टार्ट
कुछ?
करते हैं हम.
Okay.
पहले हम नेम.
वंश.
वैष्णवी.
Okay. इतना लंबा नाम क्यों लिखा मतलब?
जस्ट आ रहा था वही.
हो गया.
प्लेस.
वाराणसी.
वैशाली.
That a place?
It's a place. It is a place. You can Google it, sir.
I actually will.
Please do. Vaishali exists. It's a place.
Where?
Somewhere here around Ghaziabad.
ऐसे गली का नाम भी लिख सकते हैं.
It's not a gully ka naam. Excuse me.
It's barely a place.
It is a place.
Barely.
Okay. I didn't write washroom. Because that's also a place. Okay, I wrote Vaishali, so it's fine. I'm getting.
Okay.
I couldn't think of an animal.
Okay, me neither.
Yeah.
V से नहीं होता.
वी से नहीं होते कोई एनिमल. पता है किसी को वी से?
Movie.
वाह.
वीर ज़ारा.
लाइफ हो तो ऐसी.
वो W से है.
वो वी से है.
Nope.
गूगल करो. और
ठीक है,
एक सेकंड अगर मैं जीती तो
तो
मुझे क्या मिलेगा?
100 रुपए.
डन.
सस्ते में हो गया.
इट्स फाइन. मेरी 2 डाइट कोक आ जाएंगी.
क्या नाम? वाह लाइफ हो तो ऐसी.
यस. इट्स इट्स VAAH
देख रहा हूँ.
एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. लाइफ हो तो
Oh
ऐसी.
yeah, actually. You're like a Bollywood junkie.
The only junkie that I am is that.
Nice, that's good. That's good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Next round. I'm so winning this.
S.
S. Okay.
Stop.
Okay, I could get an animal again.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, now I know.
No.
I'm not writing it, but can I say it? It's fine. Name.
Sahil.
Surya.
Okay.
Place.
Seelampur.
Srinagar. That's barely a place. गली का नाम नहीं लिखना है.
यार वो बहुत बड़ी जगह है यार.
हाँ तो वैशाली गए नहीं हो आप just because does not mean कि वो जगह नहीं है बड़ी.
गूगल पे भी मुश्किल से ही मिला.
It's fine. Srinagar. Animal I-
Snake.
I could have written that. I could have written that.
Yeah, why didn't you?
Okay, movie.
Sinners.
Suryavanshi.
Oh wow. इसीलिए you couldn't write an animal because you were writing such long names.
But I couldn't think. I had time. I couldn't think.
मान लो 2-1.
मान लो क्यों मान लो? Excuse me. मान लो.
यार टू ऑल ही है वैसे.
एक second. I could not. I didn't get an animal from V and S. बाकी
Yeah.
सब सही था और मैंने पहले किया.
सेम मैं J से एनिमल नहीं दे पाया और B से नहीं दे पाया. बाकी सब मैंने भी सही किया.
और आपने मूवी भी नहीं दी थी R से. What a liar, cheater. I am winning. अभी मेरे पास 1 point का lead है.
And stop.
Name.
Ikansh.
Ekanshi.
Oh wow, I could have written that.
It's okay. Place.
England.
England. Same.
Yeah.
Animal.
Elephant.
Elephant. Same.
Yeah. Movie. I couldn't.
एक पहेली लीला.
मैं अभी एक लिखने वाला था बट फिर टाइम ही अप हो गया
एक
तब तक.
पहेली लीला. I win. I'm up by 2 points now. I'm just saying. I don't have to do the dare.
Okay, Q.
Q.
Stop.
Done. Name.
No name.
Qutub.
That's not a name.
The Minar is named after someone.
I don't think so.
It is.
I do not think so.
Qutub has to be a name, animal or a thing for it to be called Qutub Minar, right? तो किसी का तो नाम होगा ना.
Maybe it's just a word, you know.
क्यों ऐसे random word है?
तो कुतुब किसी का नाम. Have you ever met a कुतुब? Yeah. You have. When?
When I was in 8th standard.
Really, you met
Yeah.
a kutub? You're just lying at this point.
There was a guy in my class called
Named Qutub.
Qutub. Yeah, he was named Qutub. Okay, place.
Qatar.
Queensland.
Oh, wow, proper.
Animal.
No animals. only.
Quail.
What the fuck is a quail?
It's a bird.
Oh, right, it is.
Movie. Queen.
Oh, I couldn't write.
You also didn't get a movie. I am so winning this. Like,
You already won.
I'm like 4 points ahead. So, like, do we even want to?
I can't even make a comeback.
I won. So,
Yeah, you did.
I won. You've lost. It's a zapper pen. Do you want to get a shock?
Yeah, I think I'll have to write. I lost.
Let's go.
What do? I just...
Yeah. Ah! Ah! Why are you doing it again? That's all. Stop.
It wasn't even bad.
Who are you?
Strong.
Okay.
You don't want to do this?
No.
Not even one?
No.
Like, not even a tiny
No,
one?
no.
Just thoda sa?
No.
Thoda sa, just to
No.
get, be on the same page.
No.
Thoda sa.
No.
I tried.
You tried. It's okay.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah. What's your question?
Are you Hrithik Roshan's fingers?
No.
Because you're an 11 on 10.
11. Okay. मुझे लगा आप मुझे वो बोल रहे हो कि 6.
Huh?
हाँ, मतलब.
I'm giving you. Why
I'm
can't
so
you?
sorry. I have like issues, I can't, take compliments. I'm sorry. I'm not
hurt
used
you?
to it,
Who hurt you? I don't know anything about Wushan clan. I don't even know
Okay.
what this name means.
Okay.
I've just learned how to pronounce it, and I hope I'm pronouncing it
No, you're
correctly.
pronouncing it right.
So, but I don't know anything about it. So, like,
Oh.
what does it mean? What does it do? Is it a machine? Is it a
No,
service? Is it
it's a collective. It's a collective. We have, we friends. We have a collective. We have artists that make songs. We have visual artists. We have, creators like me and like others that stream and do like fun stuff. And we also have producers that make music. So we're basically just a friend group, and we just do cool stuff.
So it's like a sitcom.
It's not a shit. It's like
It's like being in a sitcom because like you're working with friends.
That was actually nice, matlab, it does feel like a sitcom sometimes, it does. Yeah, it is actually.
Yeah, so it's
And
fun.
Yeah, of course, it's super fun. Actually, I told them about you.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
What did you
Is it a
say?
good thing when a guy tells friends about him? About you, sorry.
Good. Depends on what you say. Like if
Oh.
you're like objectifying her, like oh, nahi bandi to maal latayega.
Uh-huh.
No.
Okay.
But if you're like I'm nervous about meeting this girl, then it's cute.
Okay, I did. Actually, let's call him, Let's call my friend Bahua. Have you heard of him?
Yeah, I've heard.
Okay.
But I don't know.
Let's call him. Let's call him and hope he does. Hello, Bahua.
अरे जय मेरे भाई कैसा है?
मस्त यार, Bahua, guess कर किसके साथ हूँ?
गैस करूँ किसके साथ हूँ? किसी दोस्त के साथ है या फिर किसी
लड़की है, लड़की.
अच्छा प्रियांशी.
एकांशी यार.
अनुष्का क्या?
एकांशी.
अनुष्का कौन है और प्रियांशी कौन है? पहले मुझे आप ये बताओ.
राइट
एकांशी यार.
यस
Yeah,
मेरे को याद है भाई. कैसा है यार? क्या कर रहे हैं उनके साथ? वो बाहर हो तुम लोग?
We're on a date actually right now.
Oh, you guys are on date.
Yeah.
Okay, भाई.
और मैं उसे बता रहा था कि मैंने इसके बारे में तुझे बताया है कितना ज्यादा.
कितना कुछ तो बताया भाई. कितने टाइम से नाम सुन रहा हूँ मैं. एंड डैम ब्रो, मतलब आज तू डेट वेट पे आ रखा है. कितनी तारीफ करता है यार तू उनके हाथ के खाने की और पता नहीं क्या क्या. भाई मैं तो वाओ भाई जय.
या बाद में बात करते हैं बुआ.
नो एक्सक्यूज मी, अगर आप इतने टाइम से मेरा नाम सुन रहे हो और फिर भी आपने 2 बार मेरा नाम गलत लिया, ये तो आप मुझे लग रहा है 2 अलग लड़कियों के बारे में इन्होंने बताया आपको.
नहीं. वो शायद मुझ में मेरी दोस्त.
इसमें कमी है यार. इसमें कमी है.
बहुत कुछ हूँ नहीं यार, लेकिन आपके खाने की तारीफ मैंने बहुत. जय यार अगली बार मैं आ रहा हूँ, मैं भी मिलने जाऊंगा. बहुत सुन लिया इनके बारे में, मैं भी देखना चाहता हूँ. मेरे जय भाई की पसंद है यार.
क्या फेवरेट चीज क्या बताई थी इन्होंने? मैंने इनको क्या खिलाई थी?
भाई यार जय पता नहीं तेरा नेट भी नहीं चल रहा, बट अगली बार जरूर मिल रहा है यार. बाय.
ये भाई थोड़ा नशे में रहता है वो. तो
या
उसको याद नहीं रहता, ध्यान नहीं रहता. बट I did obviously tell him about you.
that I make food for you which I've literally never done. मैं आपको पकाती हूँ क्या? ये बोल रहे हो?
नहीं, वो थोड़ा I don't know why he got confused, I think उसको लगा किसी और ने कॉल किया है, I didn't think he उसको नहीं लगा होगा चेश ने किया.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it was that. Yeah.
I would still say it was still sweet.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do that a lot.
Cute.
Yeah, thank you.
What's an instant ick for you, and what are instant heart eyes for you? In like
Instant
a girl?
ick for me.
Yeah.
I guess when a girl, when we're doing something, they talk about their ex. I think that's an ick for me.
Yeah.
Or anyone they've been with.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't mind, but you know, just don't tell me.
Yeah.
So that's an ick for me. And what's a hard eye for me? I think when a girl cares about the stuff I do. You know?
Which is why I love streaming so much. Like I love streaming.
And rap music as well.
I
right?
love rap music.
I'm happy I was able to convert her. You know, I'm glad. You know, maybe I'm charming. Right,
I
right.
love it so much. Like
Yeah.
rap is the only real form of music, I feel.
Let's not say that on camera. Let's not say that. But
How do I win this? I will learn. I will learn.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who is Priyanshi and who is Anushka?
Their names.
Of
Probably girls, I think.
your girls?
I don't have any daughters.
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet. I would love to though.
Oh, you want to
Maybe
be
I'll name them that, you know, Priyanshi and Anushka.
Excuse me. No, we are not naming them that.
Let's not do that then.
Yeah. But do you want to be a girl dad or a boy dad?
Both.
What's the most cringe nickname you've given someone?
Nothing's off the table. Everything, like, you know.
So I can call you Janu Monkey?
Of course. I mean, yeah, I mean, Janu Monkey is like.
It's like,
I mean, Janu tak theek tha, but Janu Monkey is a little.
because you're like a bandar, but you're my bandar and you're such a cute bandar. That's why. Like Janu Monkey.
I mean, you could call me whatever you want to, you know. Like,
Okay.
I could call you whatever I want to.
Like what do you want to call
King
me?
Von.
Huh?
Or Big Dog.
You want to call me Big Dog? How is that romantic at all?
Big Slime. King Slime.
But okay, lastly, you need to
Uh-huh.
you need to change my
Perspective about rap.
rapping. So
Okay,
you
okay.
need to impress me.
I need to impress you.
Yeah.
Can I perform one of my songs?
Sure.
But you know, I also sing. Do you want me to sing instead?
Sure, whatever you
Yeah.
want to do.
I'll sing a song for you.
Okay,
One of
I
my
love that.
songs, you know.
Okay.
It's called Khamaka. I really love this song. And it goes like, ना ही कभी कह सका मैं ना ही बिना रह सका हारा ना तुझे बता तू ये बता तू लेगी क्या क्यों करती है जादू तू थोड़ा बेकाबू हाँ अपना बता दूंगा तेरा सब जानू तो नशा तेरी बातों का तेरी इन्हीं आंखों का जिनमें तू उन ख्वाबों का बता मेरा क्या होगा मिली न जिन रातों को करूँ क्या जज्बातों का मिली न खबर तेरी बता मेरा क्या होगा.
I love that.
Yeah.
That was so nice.
Go home and stream it.
I will.
Yeah.
You're on Spotify?
Of
I don't use
course.
Apple Music.
Of course
I
I'm on
will.
Spotify.
Just the first independent artist to be added to my.
Let's get this.
I'll
Let's
do
get
that.
this.
I love that.
Thank
Beautiful.
you. 10
on 10. I'm impressed.
Thank you. I wrote it, composed it, everything. I did it.
I
myself.
love that. That's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Thank you.
10 on 10.
Thank you.
And
This is
beautiful.
it?
Yeah, this is it.
You have another date?
Not yet.
Not until the day after tomorrow.
Not until yeah.
Yeah, I'll be gone.
But that can change. Let's see.
I don't think. I think the day after tomorrow date's still happening regardless of anything.
Let's see. You never know.
It's happening.
Okay, I'll see you soon.
Alright.
Okay.
3 things I really liked about her. She was actually fun to talk to, definitely, you know.
Like he was nervous. I could tell he was nervous, and that was really nice. Like when a guy is nervous, it's cute.
She definitely had a good vibe.
So yeah, he has a sense of humor. He's really witty.
And I really liked her energy. That's 3 things.
मतलब मेरे लिए किसी ने गाना नहीं गाया है आज से पहले so.
Okay, $1 million question. Would you go on a second date with her?
It depends on her answer actually. I don't want to say yes and then she says no.
Would you have to say something?
Let's just say yes. I'm a gentleman. Let's just say yes.
No. I'm so sorry. I know I am as fed up as you are, but he's not my type. Did I have a lot of fun? I did. Again, I would chill with him and make him my buddy. But and work with him and be in a sitcom, and it's so cool to work with his friends and everything. But is he my type?